Good morning student. Now today we will continue our chapter equation and word problem related to it. Your last exercise 8D, then complete your chapter 8. See here, first one problem, the difference of a number. What is the meaning of difference? Difference meaning subtraction of a number divided by 5. It means this is a complete number. A number divided by 5 and 3 is 10. It means we have to take the difference, a number divided by 5. Firstly, we solve this solution first. A number, we don't know number, so let a number is equal to x. A number divided by 5. A number divided by 5. It means this become x divided by 5. So, one number is this x by 5 and second number is 3. इन दोनों का difference है 10. So what is the meaning of difference? So we write down according to statement x by 5 minus 3 is equal to 10. Now solve it. X by 5, this minus 3, when you change the side, this become plus 3. X by 5 is equal to 13. Now here is a division operation. When you change the side, it will come in multiplication. Then x is equal to 65. This is our answer. That x is equal to 65. So it means, so we can say, so a number is equal to 65. This type we will solve it. See the second statement problem. I am an integer. मैं एक इंटीजर हूँ. It means इंटीजर क्या होता है? इंटीजर की रेंज होती है माइनस इनफाइनाइट टू प्लस इनफाइनाइट. नेगेटिव हो चाहे पॉजिटिव हो, इट इज़ ऑलवेज कंप्लीट नंबर. डेसिमल में वैल्यूज इसकी नहीं आएगी. डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन इसमें नहीं होगा. वी विल राइट डाउन -5, -10, -15, 15, 10, 0. These type of values we will get in answer. I am an integer, so we don't know. So let an integer is equal to x. कुछ भी हो सकता है, हमने ले लिया x है. When you multiply me, it means अगर हम x को multiply कर दें by 2 and subtract -10 from me, तो सबसे पहले ये देखो, when you multiply me by 2, it means 2 multiply by x and subtract -10. subtract करना है -10 from me. from me it means पहले वैल्यू आएगी me की. तो अब me की वैल्यू कितनी है? 2x. So it means we write down according to statement 2 multiply by x में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? माइनस. सब्ट्रैक्ट -10. सी हेयर प्रॉपरली. सब्ट्रैक्ट के कारण आएगा माइनस साइन और माइनस साइन अगेन सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो वी विल टेक इन ब्रैकेट. फ्रॉम मी द रिजल्ट इज -6. रिजल्ट इज -6. देन योर इक्वेशन बिकम 2x माइनस माइनस प्लस 10 इज इक्वल टू -6. 2x when you solve it, this plus 10 change into -10. 2x is equal to -16. x is equal to -16 upon 2, that is equal to -8. Firstly you perform here subtraction procedure and then here division operation. So this type we will solve. Again see, I am an integer means मैं कोई integer हूँ, तो let an integer is equal to x. It means मैं कौन हूँ? Value of x. When you multiply me by 2, जब तुमने मुझे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो ये क्या बन गया? 2x. And subtract -10 from me. It means मेरे में से जब subtract कर दोगे -10, तो it means अब इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? 2x. उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है -10 को, तो बिकॉज ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन राइट डाउन फर्स्टली माइनस साइन, देन वी गेट -10 इज इक्वल टू -6. नाउ सोल्व दिस इक्वेशंस according to our rules. Firstly, this +10 when you change into -10, then you got -16. -6 -10 minus plus, but both are negative, that's why here sign will come negative. So we will get answer -16. Then after it is in multiplication, when you solve it, then you will get the answer -8. It means what is m? Let an integer, so I am x value is -8 here. Okay, now see the next one. Three times a number, we don't know about the number, so let a number is equal to x according to statement. Three times a number, it means हमें क्या करना है, 3 times a number, तो उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 3 से. Subtracted from 25, तो 25 पहले आएगा या बाद में? From 25, it means 25 will come here. 25 minus 3x is equal to -10. Solve it. This 25 positive, but this one is negative. So when you change the side, this become -3x is equal to -10 minus 25. -3x is equal to, this will come -35. Minus से minus cancel out. X is equal to 35. This is in multiplication. Here it will come in division. Then you will get your result. You can write down this one. X is equal to 35 divided by 3. Last problem, see now. From quotient of 3 and 5. Quotient of 3 and 5. इसका quotient क्या हो गया? 3 divided by 5. Subtracted a number from quotient of 3 and 5. It means from इसके साथ है, तो we'll write down firstly this. Subtracted a number, we don't know the number, so we write down minus, let a number x. So this is 3 by 5 minus x is equal to 5. Now solve it. 3 by 5. When you change the side, it becomes minus x is equal to 5 minus 3 upon 5. We can write down this one is 5 by 1. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? Obviously 5. And 1 into 5, 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 3 1s are 3. Then it becomes minus x is equal to 22 by 5. Here I already told, change this is in positive sign. Then your answer is x is equal to minus 22 upon 5. So this type we solve the word problem. One more question we take. Rajat wants to buy a game. Rajat wants to buy a game DVD costing rupees 340. His parents agree to give him rupees 180. He plans to save ₹40 a week. Write and solve an equation. Write and solve an equation to find the number of days. To find the number of days it would take him to save enough money. See how to solve it. Rajat wants to buy a game DVD costing. In simple way, if we want to solve this question without making an equation, रजत को एक DVD लेनी है जिसमें DVD कॉस्ट कितनी है ₹340. पेरेंट्स गिविंग ₹180. It means remaining money he need, that is ₹340 minus ₹180, that is ₹160. Okay. Now see, he plans to save ₹40 a week. मतलब एक वीक में वो ₹40 सेव करना चाहता है. एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? 7 डेज. तो 7 डेज में वो कितने रुपीस कलेक्ट कर रहा है? ₹40. तो इट मीन्स अब उसे कितने रुपीस और चाहिए? ₹160. तो वी कैन से फॉर ₹40 ही प्लान्स टू सेव 7 डेज. ₹1 के लिए उसे क्या करना पड़ेगा? 7/40. टोटल रुपीस कितने चाहिए? 160. देन आवर इक्वेशन solution becomes like this. 4 4s are 16. It means how many days required for saving enough money? That is 28 days required. But how to represent this thing into equation? हम इसी चीज़ को इक्वेशन में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? See here, हमें इक्वेशन बनानी है टोटल मनी के लिए. तो इट मीन्स वन साइड में हमने ले लिया कि हमें चाहिए ₹340. उस ₹340 को उसने कैसे कलेक्ट किया? ₹180 कलेक्ट कर लिए साथ में ही जब उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसे दिए. रिमेनिंग ₹160 को उसने कैसे कलेक्ट किया है कि वी कैन से नंबर ऑफ डेज वी डोंट नो. अननोन क्वांटिटी इज व्हाट हियर? दैट इज नंबर ऑफ डेज. सो लेट number of days is equal to, we can represent by D. Okay. So D multiply ₹40 7 डेज में कलेक्ट करता है. तो 1 डे में वो कितना रुपीस कलेक्ट करेगा? 7 डेज में अगर उसने ₹40 कलेक्ट किए हैं तो 1 डे में कितने कलेक्ट होंगे? 40/7. इट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज को अगर हम 40/7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें देन वी विल गेट द प्रॉपर मनी. यू कैन पुट योर वैल्यू. यू फाइंड आउट आंसर 28 into 40/7. 7 4s are 28, 4 4s are 16. 160 rupees. Now solve this by equation. Then D into 40/7 is equal to 340. Now this term is with variable. Then D multiply by 40/7. This when you take here, subtract it. D into 40/7 is equal to 160. D is equal to. Now check it. Here are two type of things. 40/7 here is in multiplication. It means 160 divided by 40/7. It will come in division. How to solve this type of thing? It means we can write down 160 divided by 1 into 7/40. Now see, 4 4s are 16, 7 4s are 28. It means how many days required to save this enough money? 28 days required. So we can solve it, this thing. But here is it is mentioned in the question that make and write an equation. Write and solve an equation. It means we will solve this question by an equation this time. Okay. Now your chapter 8 equation complete. In the next we will start to discuss chapter 9. So you complete your chapter 8 with your example and chapter assessment in your fair notebook. Thank you, student.